Hello again, welcome to another video, and today we're on a mission because I'm going to replace this radio CD player with something more in keeping with the character of the car. So keep watching and let's go and see what we can find. So it's not too bad a day for it. The Golf's tootling along nicely like it does, and we're just on our way to see a man about a radio cassette. I just love the simplicity of this car with its 4-speed gearbox, no power steering, and it's just a joy to drive. Just tootles along beautifully, nice steady 60 mile an hour, no problem at all. So this looks like the place. So here we are, this is what we managed to pick up. Original Sony radio cassette for the Volkswagen with a detachable front panel. So that just fits on the front there. Like so. And that's going to go in the car when we get back, and we'll have a look and see how easy that is to do. So here we go, and we've got the old one out, so now we've got to fit the wiring to the new replacement radio cassette. And you can see there's just the aerial lead there, and these connectors, that one's for the power supply and that one's for the speakers, so it's just pretty straightforward. And these just go into the back of this unit there and there. So let's do that, and we'll see if we can get it fired up. So that's all plugged in where it's supposed to go, and now that has to just sit in this slot here and clip into place, and it should just slide in quite nicely like that and clip into place both sides like that. So there you go, that all powers up. So select source and just tune it in because it's the first time connected, and we'll just turn the sound down so we don't get any copyright strikes. But see that that's all working okay as it was back in the 90s. So there's no RDS display, you just have to rely on the radio display to remember what frequency you're tuned to, and your cassettes go in the slot at the top, and it takes the tape in and starts playing like that. And so we can't put any sound on because it will end up with a copyright strike, but yeah, I can assure you that's all working nicely. So yeah, there we go, the car's put back to a traditional look with the radio, FM radio, and the tape cassette. So back how it should have been when it was new. So thanks again for watching, and please feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.